If you're in a digital marketing agency and you're stuck in any one of these places, stick around. One of the number one questions I get every day is, how do I land more retainer clients from my agency? I really want to ask you, is that the right question? Right? When you do cold outreach to a prospect, do you have a follow-up mechanism to keep in touch with them? If you're doing advertising and they opt in and they kind of get pre-positioned to schedule into your calendar, is the follow-up in place? Are you following up diligently and effectively? Once somebody does finally get on your calendar and express interest, do you have the right sales process? Like, are you taking through a consultative sales process and converting at a high enough level from sales call to client? Right? So the real question is, what's the leaky portion of your I need retainer clients bucket? My name is Josh Nelson. I'm the founder of Seven Figure Agency, and I'm conducting a live event March 18th and 19th where we're going to answer and address all of these questions and more. So if you're at 6 figures, you're looking to go to 7 figures, I want to encourage you to register and join us free. Click the button on this page and get yourself registered. It's going to be a game changer. Here are just a few people that have attended this free event and what they've had to say.
Hi, my name is Jamey. I am a local marketing agency here in Miami, Florida, and I've been to many events in my almost 9 years as an agency owner. And this is by far, in terms of price, the value for price of what you get, I haven't seen anything like this. It was free. He over-delivered. I mean, it's crazy how you can over-deliver and free. A lot of times it's fluff. I haven't seen anything like this. He gave you everything he had and more. I highly recommend any agency owner that's looking to accelerate, to scale their business, come see Josh, come talk to Josh. It's well worth it. I highly recommend it, coming from someone who's been in business for 10 years.
My name is Ricardo James from Martech Now. We're located in West Palm Beach, Florida. I came here to this event not knowing what to expect, but I must say, wow. I am blown away. This is absolutely amazing. The content that was delivered, the value that was delivered is truly, truly amazing. Josh, oh my God, you were over the top. You over-delivered. Thank you so much to you. It was one of the best, actually the best, because I've been to many, many events in the marketing space, and this was totally different from anything that I've ever been to. Be prepared to just be over excited and overjoyed to see what you're getting. You can see it from me right now. I'm thrilled. The value is beyond tremendous.
This is Josh Nelson again. Just to recap, it's a 100% free event for agencies at 6 figures looking to go to 7 figures. So if that's you and you're ready to take things to the next level, register now, join me live, and let's put this in place and help you accelerate your growth. I look forward to seeing you there.